is the offering products or services with reasonable profits. There are two ways of achieving reasonable profits: the increasing markup and decreasing of operational costs. In increasing product, this is the way where you cannot maximize the profit and you can add more markup depends on your product. While decreasing operational